going to learn alphabet with birds. And let's start. A. A is for African gray parrot. B. B is for blue tit.
Blue tit.
C. C is for chicken.
Chicken.
D.
D.
D is for duck.
Duck.
E.
E.
E is for eagle.
Eagle.
F.
F.
F is for flamingo.
Flamingo.
G.
G.
G is for goose.
Goose.
H.
H.
H is for hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
I. I is for ibis.
Ibis.
J.
J.
J is for jay.
J.
K.
K.
K is for kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
L. L is for lovebird.
L is for lovebird.
M. M is for macaw.
M.
N.
N.
N is for nightingale.
Nightingale.
O.
O.
O is for owl.
Owl.
P.
P.
P is for penguins.
Penguins.
Q.
Q.
Q is for quail.
Quail.
That's baby quails.
Baby.
R.
R.
R is for raven.
Raven.
They're really camouflage. S.
S.
S is for swans.
Swans.
T. T is for
T is for
turkey.
turkey.
U.
U.
U is for URAL owl.
URAL.
V.
V.
V is for vulture.
Vulture.
W.
W.
W is for woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
X.
X.
X is for XENOPS.
XENOPS.
Y.
Y.
Y is for yellow-billed stork.
Yellow-billed stork.
Z.
Z.
Z is for zebra finch.
Zebra finch.
Now you know a little bit more about birds. It was awesome. Don't forget to subscribe down below and like. Bye.